Hey guys, it is Mr. Chubby and Mrs. Tammy. We are still filming homes at Tiny Life Homes in Franklin, North Carolina. We're here today inside a Cascade, and we're going to take you on a tour of this one. First, I'm going to let Mrs. Tammy walk you around the outside and let you listen to some beautiful music. Then come back in. I'll show you around.
Now if you're tired of mansions and rent too high, come on down where the ceilings kiss the sky. They're rolling through the country in a big old van with a GoPro, a dream, and a downsizing plan. Mrs. Tammy points, look at that storage stair. Mr. Chubby stuck in a loft with half his derriere. Mini splits humming, solar panels shine, hangover bars hanging just fine. Compost and toilets in a barn door glide. Tiny home tours, it's a wild small ride.
Hi guys, we're inside the Cascade. This is the Tiny Home on Wheels RV park model. There. We're inside this one. Tammy calls this one the Mint Julep, and you'll see why in just, well, you might already seen why. But it's got really neat features, really cool. This, believe it or not, is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. They cram all that in a 13-foot, 8-inch wide frame by about 39-foot frame. And don't quote me on those exact numbers, but outside you saw a nice porch. That thing is a little over 9 foot long, and again, it's a little over 13 foot wide. Interior dimensions widthwise on this home are going to be 13 foot, and we'll give you some idea on the room sizes. This little living area I am in is roughly a little over 8 foot from window to wall. We got normal features you see in homes, so I'm not dwelling a lot on them in our latest videos because you guys watch our videos all the time, and you see you've got mini split here in the living space. You've got your regular doors with the blinds in them. You get windows. This home has 4 windows. A lot of people don't like windows in their living space. I don't know why, but these homes, because they're small, they're intended for you to bring some of the outside in, because some people buy these homes for lake homes as a second home, as a rental for an Airbnb on the lake up in the mountains, like where we're at here in North Carolina. Tam is showing you this kitchen. This thing is finished in their regular wood cabinets that have the soft closed drawers and doors. It's got a black and white gray granite countertop all the way around. Now this package comes with a General Electric basic black appliances with your regular stove and your microwave and your top and bottom refrigerator freezer. Nice counter space. I don't know that it's a huge amount of room. The drawback right here to this room is to this home is you're trying to squeeze in an extra bedroom, so you're sacrificing some eating space. But you do have that nice porch. And Tammy and I, we eat outside a lot. We live in Alabama, and most times of the year we can't eat outside except when it's really cold outside or super duper hot. But we have a kind of screened in porch on the back of our house and a patio, and we love to eat outside. So that's what these homes are intended for. Well, let me get up off the couch. I'm about to fall asleep. This thing has pickled finishes inside with natural beams, which is a cool look. The countertop here, I'm going to give you an idea, but 9'4" from the edge of the refrigerator over to the wall back there. Plenty of space in your cabinets. I just talked about the kitchen. I'm not going to talk about it a whole lot. Um, Wide though, so you got some width. You could get you some tray tables, eat at your sofa, eat at your chairs. You could theoretically put a small table if you mount your television on this wall and get this TV stand out of the way. You could put a small table with 2 chairs over there to eat. Do you think, Tam? Be kind of close, but it's not a lot of eating space. Maybe a cafe table. Yeah, I'm not up on all those fancy terms. I'm just now learning what charcuterie means. Um, but you've got a board and batten look in the inside here on the walls. As we come back, to your left is a standard bathroom, which has a shower unit with a seat. But over here is where they've chosen to hide the extra bedroom. This one's got a pocket door.
By the way, this is not a board and batten.
Oh, I'm sorry, not
board and batten is
shiplap, shiplap, shiplap. Yeah, I know. I'm confused.
There you go.
I get confused all the time. This is more of a shiplap style. It's not terribly much a tongue and groove because it doesn't have the little cove to it, which is reticent of a tongue and groove. But this is a board and batten has the vertical. But this of course shiplap. I'm sorry. I apologize. My apologies. See too many of these houses. I need to start touring classic cars or something. You got a pocket door here. Width on this doorway 2 foot 2 inches, 24 inches to get into this bedroom. Now you could use this. You don't have to use it as a bedroom. You can use it as additional storage. You could use it as a reading nook. You could use it as a library. You could use it as an office, or you could just use it as a small bedroom with a twin size single bed, whatever, in here. For when the grandchildren come over, you could put a set of bunk beds in here. You could do something like this. It's only 5 foot wide this way, but it does have a window. And to this closet, you're about 7.5 feet this direction. So 7.5 feet, but you do get a nice closet in here. And that's 2 foot 4 wide and 2 foot 6 inches deep. And it has the closet made type shelving, bracket, shelf, sliding barn style door there. And again, your shiplap style. Tam's going to take you to the right. Don't get confused as you're walking down the hallway. That is the left, though, to the bathroom. And again, like I said earlier, pretty standard bathroom. It has your window, your single fiberglass shower unit, same cabinet color and choices carry over to the vanity with the countertop. Elongated toilet. It has a 3 light fixture over the vanity. It has a LED recessed light over the shower. 7'1" is the width of this bathroom, and roughly about 4.5 foot, maybe as much as 4 foot and 6 inches from the doorway to the wall. Comes with a little small rain type shower head, and it's a basic bathroom. It's got an exhaust fan. The beams carry over. This is not a lofted home at all. You have your access panel here for any plumbing issues as you come down the hallway, and your stackable unit is here that comes with the home. For your washer and dryer up above, you have a shelf that's a little tall for me. That's probably pushing 6.5 foot tall to get up there, but there is a space to store some stuff. You don't have, because of the extra bedroom, you don't have like pantry, linen areas in this home, but you could use that closet inside that extra bedroom for that if you like. So you've seen your full bathroom. Now, as we come into the bedroom, you get a couple more surprises in this home. I'm going to let Tammy walk in and decide which way she wants to go. This bedroom, if I can get a good width because of the window, this laser doesn't like the window, 8'3" over to the window from this wall, and it is 8'2" this way. So it's about an 8x8, 64 square foot, 65 square foot bedroom. So you see this, I think this appears to be a full. Is that a full?
Still a queen.
Is that a queen? It just looks small for a queen to me. I don't know.
It's short.
Maybe it's
because
short.
They don't have it on the proper base possible.
Okay. That may make the difference. But you do have your electrical outlets on either side flanking, so you can put, like they have a table or some type of nightstand and a lamp. Mini split, ceiling fan, exposed beams. The natural look against the pickle is pretty cool for the ceiling. I like that. Even though in another home here at Tiny Life Homes we toured, I showed you the pickle look versus dark, and I really, really like that. But off to your right, Tammy's going to show you this home comes with this bonus closet. This is a walk-in closet. And again, I was mentioning in the hallway, you don't have a lot of space for linens. Well, you got a couple closets really close to you. I'm going to, well, I can't do it because the door's in the way. But you've got some closet-made storage back here. This closet, I'll give you a dimension, 3'4" wide, 4'6" deep. So a lot of storage in this closet. Now, Mr. Chubby going to come out the closet. Got a closing door there for it. And here is the half bath, tucked away back in the corner. And again, that's going to be about the same dimension as the closet. It's going to be 4'6" from where you're at the doorway over to the exterior wall where the window is. And you got your cabinets and your countertop carrying over with a medicine cabinet, 3 light over the vanity, exhaust fan, elongated toilet.
And that fabulous mint green color.
Yeah, Tammy loves that mint green. I'm not.
I didn't say I love it.
Oh, you didn't say you love it? You thought it was.
It's okay.
You said it was neat.
It's mint green.
What do you think about it? Do you like the mint green cabinets? Let us know in the comments. That's why we got a comment section. But anyway, we're at Tiny Life Homes in Franklin, North Carolina. This is Clayton Cascade. I have to look at the price, but I'll try to put the price up so you guys can at least see it. Cool thing, they are in the middle of a pre-summer sale to June 20th. I don't know if this video will get up by June 20th because it's already June 18th or something, but they are having a sale. They give you this little neat map and sheet that shows your way around the lot, and 117.9 is the price on this home, which is a good deal for Clayton. It's probably a model year old. Don't quote me on that, but if you're interested, we'll put all the Tiny Life Homes information in the description below. You can contact them, and we're going to go on to the next home. But if you guys like this kind of content, the Tiny Life, Tiny Homes on Wheels, RV park models, anything like that, give us a thumbs up. If you like our tours, if you like us to do something a little different, let us know. We've been measuring a lot of doorways for handicap accessibility, and I'm going to try to get away from that because that makes our videos a lot longer. But just to let you know, most RV park model manufacturers do not think too much about getting a wheelchair in and out, but many of them can modify doorway widths if you need that ADA type accessibility. So you can work with these manufacturers and get done what you need to do. But anyway, not going to carry you on any longer. We're going to get out here and tour the next home. But you guys, hit that like button. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. And we're going on to the next house. Have a good day.
Mini splits humming, solar panels shine, hangover bars hang you just fine.